Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making a special tool to reseat our new tail shaft seal. Obviously this is the old one. I ordered the new one, ain't got it yet. But so I'm going to have something that's going to slip over this boot and make contact with this lip without crushing this boot. So I know there's tools out there, but I'm not paying for a tool to use one time. So this is what I've come up with. I found this piece of pipe and it seems to fit pretty nice. If you go on this side, it fits perfect. But obviously it's got to be driven in from this end. So it fits pretty good. This one's a little bent, but it sits on that lip. I got my Sawzall over there. I'm gonna try to cut it evenly with this right here so I can keep it nice and straight. That gives me a guide to cut it with. So let's get started. Alright, so now I got it cut off. I got it chucked up in the vise. I'm just going to take and get these burrs off of it real quick. Alright, so now I don't have a bushing driver. That one don't fit in. And this one falls all the way through. So I'm going to take the heat gun, heat this up a little bit, try to soften it up and force the one that's a little bit too big in. We just want to heat it up just enough to make it a little soft. I don't want to melt it. Alright, so now got to heat it up a little bit. And it slides right in. And just take a hammer, tap it a little bit. And that seat's flush. And it still comes out. So let's give it a test run on this old seal. So this is gonna sit like that. It's gonna sit on top. Yep, it's going in. I'm not gonna drive it all the way in because I gotta get it back out. This is the old one. But yeah, it's going in nice. This is where it was bent up, where I pulled it out, but you can see it's going in. So piece of pipe and a driver, I think it'll do. So when I get my new parts, hopefully they'll be here one day this week. I ordered them last night, so it'll be probably 4 or 5 days. I get the new parts in, we'll be ready to go. I got a homemade driver. Thanks for watching.